fix the Facebook lock profile not showing. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can see your Facebook lock profile is not showing in your Facebook profile. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store or the Play Store that you are using, and here you have to simply search for the Facebook. Now once you are in here, you have to click on the application and make sure to update your Facebook. And after updating it, you just have to go back and you have to go in your phone settings, and from here you have to go on the general. Now you have to click on the iPhone storage, but if you are in the Android, you have to simply go on the app settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down and you have to click on the Facebook application, and here you have to offload the app, and in the Android you have to clear the cache of your Facebook. And after that you just have to go back and open up your Facebook application. Now once you are in here, you have to open up your profile, and from here you just have to click on the edit profile, or you can also click on these three dots to go on the lock profile. Now you have to simply click on this unlock profile, and here is the option of the lock. And if it is option of the unlock, that it means that your profile is already locked, so you cannot need to lock your profile again. So that's how you can fix your lock profile not showing in your Facebook. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.